Hello, I am back with another video. So this is gonna be a haul video again. बहुत भारी है. Miniso haul. But before I start with Miniso, let me just start with another thing that I got. This is from Berry Lush. These are some off-shoulder tops. You've seen me wearing it on my Instagram. If you're not following me on Instagram, what are you doing? What is this behavior? Come on, go follow. Their off-shoulder tops are so amazing कि मेरा मन एक से नहीं भरा था. तो I got 1, 2, 3, 4 of these. Like I'm that extra. Never mind. Let's move on. Start with the main thing, the Miniso haul. I'm opening the box. ऐसे. Oh wow, yes. So I got some facial tissues, not for face but for normal use tissues, because if you're touching anything, just sanitize your hand and then use tissue. I got a sewing kit because for my sister, she loves to do DIY and stuff, so sewing kit for her. Then I got this very cute thing. I don't want to open this right now. This is a head wrap. बिल्ली का कान है यहाँ पे ऐसे. So this is a unicorn mirror for Muski because she loves to do makeup more than me. Kids. I got some cotton wipes. So I ordered this way before lockdown. Now I have discovered, where are those? So now I'm not gonna use them. Instead, we have found an alternative, reusable makeup wipes from our very little store on Instagram. I'll link it down below. Go check it out. Now I have a lot of candles. Oh, ha, ha, ha. So amazing. I love candles. Comes with this. Oh, ho, 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 ho. बाहर जा नहीं सकते तो घर में ही थोड़ा ओशनी मज़ा ले लें. दिस इज़ जैस्मिन सैंडल scent candle, pure jasmine. I love jasmine. Another favorite, lavender. How to open this? Oh, this is better. And this was a vanilla latte for Mrigya Rai because she loves vanilla, musk, all kind of bland smells. This one is a tropical peach for mummy because she loves floral type of scent. हमारे घर में भिन्न भिन्न प्रकार के लोग आपको मिलेंगे जिनकी चॉइसेस बिल्कुल एक दूसरे से नहीं मिलती हैं, इसलिए हमारे सबके सामान अलग अलग रहते हैं. Okay, so the last thing that I have to show you, what is this? Oh, so much bubble wrap wastage. Is this bag? I found it, loved it. So got it. This is a transparent bag, long handle, and अंदर ये पता नहीं क्यों रखा हुआ है इसके. There's this wallet to keep your money, cards and stuff. Then there is this transparent thing. I have a soft corner for transparent things. Long story. So yeah, this was the bag. बहुत सामान. So now we have some Shein का सामान also. Let's start. अरे रे गिरो मत. So this is a silver fanny pack for styling purposes, and then I'll give it to my sister because I don't use fanny packs much. Okay, so then I ordered this one. This is a nice bag. I needed थोड़ा ऐसे पतला सा bag because I don't have any. What do we have? Another very tiny bag. यार bags के साथ बड़ा धोखा हुआ है मेरे साथ. It's only this big. Can only put my card in this. Muski is gonna use this. So there is a set of hoops, silver hoops. This is a set of बहुत ही पतले hoops हैं. भाई ये टूट न जाए, मेरे को डर लग रहा है इनको पहनने में. Then another set of hoops. I am obsessed with hoops. What do I do with myself? And then there is a very cute wallet. Show you. Panda for you. Yes. Then we have. इसके लिए I was very very scared, but जब से आई है तब से प्यार हो गया है मुझे इससे. So ये ड्रेस है, इस पर थोड़ा सा ऐसे फ्लावर एंड देन इट्स वेरी फ्लोई. तो ये पूरी मैक्सी ड्रेस नहीं है, बट इट्स थोड़ा नी के नीचे, बट नॉट अ फुल लेंथ ड्रेस. सो आई गॉट दिस. मृग्यर आई ऑल्सो गॉट द सेम वन एंड सेम फॉर मुस्की. सो वी आर गोना get a photo shoot done in this. Thing that I have is a very very beautiful top. Just look at, oh my god, how beautiful is this. I can't wait to wear this. So this is, size नहीं लिखा है. oh. कोई बात नहीं, नहीं लिखा है, रुको लिखा है एक्सेस. दिस इज अ वेरी ब्यूटीफुल टॉप. थोड़ा सा क्रॉप है, मेरे साथ थोड़ा लेंथ का प्रॉब्लम होता है, बट दिस इज वेरी ब्यूटीफुल. द मटेरियल इज़ अमेजिंग. इसके ये कफ पे थोड़ा सा ऐसे इलास्टिक है, तो गिव्स अ वेरी पफी स्लीव का लुक. अमेजन. लेट्स मूव ऑन. अब भूल गए मंगाया क्या क्या था भाई. व्हाट टू डू. Oh, this is like a black shrug. Love it. Ooh, it looks beautiful. अरे इसको बांधते कैसे हैं? अरे कुछ गड़बड़ है. Oh, it's like a wrap around thing. नहीं, क्या है? Figure this out later. Then we have, okay, this one is actually good. बैग्स के साथ एक्सपीरियंस इतना ख़राब हो गया था शीन के साथ कि आई वाज लाइक आई एम नॉट गोना डू दिस, बट दिस वन टर्न आउट टू बी गुड. इसकी बेल्ट भी काफ़ी अच्छी है, मोटी, एंड द लुक ऑफ इट वेरी ब्यूटीफुल. पर गंदा होगा तो क्या करेंगे इसका. इट सेज लिटिल ब्यूटी. दैट इज मी. ओके. अनदर गुड बैग दैट आई फाउंड वाज दिस. इट सेज एग्जिट. Don't exit from the channel, okay? Let's stay, okay? Come on. Okay, so moving on. The next thing that I have is from our own store. The makeup brushes. So it comes in a bag like this. Let me show you. Looks so beautiful and so royal. Black color. Oh shit. गिरने वाला था. So this is the first set. इसके दो कलर्स हैं. There's pink and there's black. I have black. Pink is very beautiful too. Gonna get it. Let me show you the other one. Oh, the unicorn brushes. These are so beautiful. मतलब मेरी Instagram feed पे colorful चीज़ों की कमी है. These are gonna add color to it. So yeah, this was the haul. We are done with it, and I'm gonna see you guys next time with another video. Till then, go follow me on Instagram for more updates. अगर वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो press the like button. अगर बहुत अच्छा लगा तो share with your friends, your family, everybody, you know, okay? और subscribe का एक बटन है, उसको दबा दें. And do leave a comment in the comment section to let me know what you guys want to see next. Till then, I'll see you guys next time. Signing off.